Aditi. This name is important for me because my granddaughter's name is also Aditi. She is only in third class, third grade.
Okay.
Good. Tell us about yourself.
Okay. My name is Aditi Chaudhary, and I'm pursuing my MTech from NIT Jaipur. And right now, I'm in my second year. In second year, we have to dedicate ourselves toward project work. So I'm working on this real-time data of Ontario market, electricity market, and I have to predict the electricity price out of it. So I'm employing different machine learning and DNN model in order to predict the future electricity price in hour for hourly interval. And other than that, in back then in my undergraduation, I have anticipated in several extracurricular activities as well, such as I used to participate in speeches competition. I used to participate in debate, and I have also won first prize in skit competition. I have represented my college in inter college basketball match. Although we didn't win, but yeah, that was very learning experience for me. And in this college MTech, I have four research paper in my name. Those all are working paper, and they have been published in very renowned IEEE conference. And if we talk about my extracurricular activity, I've been participating in here in MTech. I have participated in with this summer camp was held, that was conducted by my own supervisor. This was computational intelligence program. And I have volunteered there, and I have also attended those 5 days summer camp. And coming to my family background, my father is an army, my mother is a homemaker, and I have one brother and one sister. Thank you.
Father is in army. What is the designation?
My father is in actually he is in supply.
So he is not having any designation like brigadier and all
Yeah,
that.
he does. He is major there.
Major.
Sorry, captain. Yeah.
Captain.
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 Yeah.
Very good. He's the captain. Good. Why are you not interested in joining army?
Because see, I don't know if it's a stigma, but my mother is little afraid for me to join army. I don't know.
That's okay.
Me
fine.
being a girl.
It's very fine. What is your native place?
My native place is Bihar, but I never been there because since I come from army background, so I have roamed around all the country except for the south.
Acha, where are your parents now?
My mother is in Ahmedabad. We have built a home in Ahmedabad, but my father is serving in Assam because it's a field area, so families are not allowed there.
Assam, oh Baba,
Yeah.
Great. So normally such people, they will arrange for their in-laws also. I mean, son-in-law also as army man. What is your idea regarding that?
I don't know. See, I really want to be I see myself as a working professional in future. And if my spouse happens to be in army, then he and I will be living in different cities. This is what I feel. So I don't know.
Well, this is a real. There are some people like that. In fact, about 2-3 months back, madam got interview from me. She joined Punjab National Bank. In fact, she was in army. She resigned from army. Her husband is also in army in Ladakh. And now she has joined a branch in Punjab National Bank in Trivandrum as a security officer. That's right. So what do you think? Yeah. Now tell me, what is the job role of an officer?
Okay, the job role of I don't know, the job that I have applied for is a junior management, and as the name suggests, I'm going with just the name. I really don't have
but you are having job description in the material they have given you. They have given you a material, brochure.
Yes, yeah, they
Tell
have
me.
given, in which they have written that I have to, firstly, I have to look through the all the clerical work under me. I have to assist my manager, and other than that, I also have to, if any customer visit my branch in which I will be appointed, I have to tell them about different products the bank is offering, and I have to make them go through all those products and all those policies that bank is offering.
Are you struggling to answer this?
I have to read that again, I guess.
You are not prepared for this properly. It is given here. Just a minute. Today, I was just telling the people by going through this Federal Bank Campus Program. It is there in this open. Just a minute. Okay, you can go through that. I have already given you in that one. You can go through that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you know about banking? Banking का बारे में आपको क्या जानते हैं?
Okay. First of all, I know that banking is the institute which provides you loan or the policies, and if you are looking for something that you can invest to, they also provide you that. They provide you fixed deposit, they provide you recurring so that you can earn from the interest. And I also know a little bit of idea how banking sector earns money. It is through by offering loan, and on interest they earn money. Other than that, they also invest on government bond.
Yeah. So what are the other sources of income for the bank?
Other sources.
One source you told me is interest on loans. Second source you told me interest on the government securities which the bank gets. And apart from that, what is the another source of income for the bank?
They also invest on startups. Through startups they earn.
No, that is not they don't invest in startup. They give loans to startups, but what they do is they do get non-fund based income. That is towards commission on bank assurance charges, commission for mutual fund products canvassed, and rent on locker rented out. Like that, they get non-fund based income that is known as para banking. Have you not heard about para banking? Para banking is banking means accepting deposits from the public, making advances to others. Now, apart from that, para banking is doing other services. Para banking is doing other services like participating in bank assurance services, mutual fund products canvassing, then renting out locker to others, then issuing of guarantees, issuing of letter of credit. So the banks get non-fund based income. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Can you tell me what are the problems banking industry is facing?
Currently?
Yeah.
Currently in banking industry facing. I really don't have idea.
Yeah. What happened? You are not able to.
They are. I'm gonna say some answer, but I don't know if it's right or not. They
You
are
tell
taking
whatever
advantage
comes to your
because
mind. You tell me whatever comes to your mind. Instead of not telling anything, it is better to tell something. But it
due
should
to
not be wrong one. It should not be totally wrong ones. India, problems of banking sector now. I'm just searching my, what is that, our chat GPT, and if it can give us something very good. But just tell me what can be the problems. Just guess.
Currently, all the world is going through recession, and this is causing economics instability. That also could be one of the factors that could affect banking. And earlier in 2020, we have also gone through, India has faced corona due to, and RBI has also gave their expressed their grief that India won't able to recover even after it gonna take 13 years to recover India from the economic crisis that corona has caused.
No, I think your answer is not that. I have first time I asked this question. So far, I have not asked, but I asked because this question has been posed to one candidate in Federal Bank interview. This is the question, this, it has moved now. In one place it was there. So based on that, I asked you. Now you can read this. This will give you some idea. Please read. Read from number 1. Non-performing assets.
Sir, it is not.
Oh, it's not seen. Sorry. I have not shared. Are you a member of our Telegram group? Paid
Yes,
Telegram? Paid Telegram?
I think I haven't joined it yet.
Oh, please join कर लीजिए ना उसमें. This one I am posting there. Are you aware of the link for that one?
Yes. You have sent me that link.
You have the link now. I have provided already.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, I am giving you once again in the chat. चाहिए तो ले लीजिए इससे. अभी भी लेके रखो.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Aditi, don't worry. Now read.
Okay. From as of my knowledge. Okay.
No, you read from here. Non-performing assets.
Non-performing asset, NPA, one of the significant challenge in the Indian banking sector has been the high level of non-performing assets, which are loans that have not been repaid for a specified period. NPAs can result in financial instability for banks and can impact their profitability and have ability to lend further. Recapitalization and capital adequacy. Many Indian banks have been grappling with capital adequacy issues. Inadequate capitalization makes banks vulnerable to financial shocks and limits their lending capacity. The government has initiated recapitalization measures to address this issue, but it remains an ongoing concern. Government and management issues. Some banks have faced governance and management problem, including issues related to transparency, risk management, and corporate governance practices. These issues can undermine the overall stability and trust in banking system. Technological transformation. The banking sector in India is undergoing a digital transformation with increasing adoption of technology and online banking services. While this brings convenience and efficiency, it also presents challenges in terms of cybersecurity threat, data privacy uh, concerns, and the need for upskilling the workforce to adapt to the changing technological landscape. Financial inclusion. Despite progress, a significant portion of the population in India remains unbanked or underbanked, particularly in rural areas. Ensuring financial inclusion and expanding access to banking services to all segments of social remains a challenge. Regulatory environment. The banking sector operates under the purview of various regulators, including the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and other financial authorities. Balancing regulatory oversight with promoting growth and innovation can be delicate task. Fraud and cybersecurity risk. The increased reliance on digital banking has led to an escalation in fraud and cybersecurity risk. Bank needs to invest in robust security measures to protect the customer data and mitigate the risk of financial fraud. It is important to note that banking sector is dynamic and subject to changes and developments over time. For most up-to-date information on the challenges faced by Indian banking sector, it is advisable to refer to recent reports, news articles, and official sources.
Yeah, that is, current. If you want to see, you have to go through the latest newspaper to go know what is the major issue that is being posed in banking industry right from yesterday. Hello, Aditi. What is the major issue that the banks are facing now? Right from yesterday, some new rule has come. What is that?
Right from yesterday.
You are not reading newspapers. You are not watching television. That is the problem. 2,000 rupees is being withdrawn from circulation. Are you aware of that?
Yes, I have heard that news.
Then why are you not telling me that? इसका बारे में तो पूरा पढ़ के मन में रखना है वो क्या क्या चीज है. So what are the some points you would like to tell me about that? You cannot tell. See there, Reserve Bank of India has said that people who have got 2,000 rupees currency note with them have to deposit bring it back, deposit in their current account or savings account with the banks, and in case some people want to get it exchanged, they can get it exchanged, and all this has to be done before 30th of September 2023. It is a legal tender. As on date, it is a legal tender. So people can deposit in any bank or get it exchanged. So this is what it is. And some more points are also there. It is there in RBI website. Please go through that also. Go to RBI. You are aware of RBI website? Maybe you are not seen. RBI.org.in. This is the first point, is just that one only. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
First point itself is that one only. Rupees 2,000 denomination banknotes withdrawal from circulation will continue as legal tender. Some points are all they are telling. You please go through that. They can ask you some intricate details of this. The facility of exchange of rupees 2,000 banknotes up to a limit of 20,000 at a time shall also be provided at 19 regional offices of RBI having an issue departments. To come here, we can go through right from the beginning. About 89% of 2,000 banknotes were issued prior to March 2017 and or at the end of their estimated lifespan of 4 to 5 years. The total value of these banknotes in circulation has declined to 6.73 lakh crore as at the peak of March 2001 so and so. But ये तो बहुत गपसा है, ये हमको चाहिए नहीं. Next one, clean note policy के लिए a scheme has been introduced. Banknotes will continue to be legal tender. It may be noted that RBI had undertaken a similar withdrawal in 2013-14. Accordingly, members of the public may deposit 2,000 banknotes into their bank accounts and or exchange them to banknotes of other denominations at any bank branch. Deposit into bank can be made in the usual manner, that is without restrictions and subject to extant instructions and other applicable statutory provisions. That is, I think up to 50,000 only we can remit in cash. Some such conditions. In order to ensure operational convenience and avoid disruption, regular activities of bank branches, exchange of 2,000 banknotes and banknotes of other denominations can be made up to a limit of rupees 20,000 at a time starting from May 23rd. To complete the exercise in a time-bound manner and to provide adequate time for members, all banks shall provide deposit and or exchange facility for rupees 2,000 notes under September 30. The facility for exchange of 2,000 bank notes up to 20,000 at a time shall also be provided 19 days. This is the thing. As it is, they say you can remit into your account, but when you want to exchange, you can do only up to 20,000 rupees at a time. Okay. I think there is a standard format they have prescribed that has to be filled in and then taken. So right now, if you go for an interview, this type of questions cannot be avoided. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you should also go through latest news that Reserve Bank has, government has levied some tax deduction at source for foreign exchange payments made through credit card, 20% through credit card. When payments are made in foreign country, they will be charging 20% as tax deducted at source. Okay. So this is also another news for the day. Anyhow, thank you so much. You must go through the newspaper of the day, today, yesterday, tomorrow, and all before going for the interview. You can get newspaper, no problem. और
Yes, sir.
टेलीग्राम में भी मिलेगा आपको. जानते हैं? नहीं जानते हैं?
Yes, sir.
जानते हैं? नहीं जानते हैं?
नहीं.
नहीं जानते हैं. तब तो देखो newspapers.pdf ऐसा सर्च कर दीजिए. देन इंडियन एक्सप्रेस IE सर्च कर दीजिए. टेलीग्राम में सर्च करने से आपको मिल जाएगा. I want you to read one normal newspaper. जयपुर का न्यूज़पेपर, कुछ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो. नहीं होने से दिल्ली का न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो. इसका अलावा वन इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स और बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड और बिजनेस लाइन और फाइनेंशियल एक्सप्रेस, जो कुछ मिलता है उसको हेडलाइंस पढ़ना है. ओके. Thank you. You are answering very well. One thing good for you is that one, you are having confidence. Two, your English communication skill is good because you studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, na?
Yes, sir.
Maybe that is the reason. So these things will help you. But however, go through, I think you are aware of, you are not attending classes. Why?
Sir, I have enrolled myself yesterday only.
Acha. Sorry. I should not have asked this question to you, but still, फिर भी बोलिए, इधर आज भी हम एक वीडियो डाला है जिसमें हम सब कुछ बात बता रहा हूँ, उसको एक बार देख लीजिए। अभी अभी डाला नहीं उसको, अभी डाल देगा, उसको देख लीजिएगा। अभी देखिए ए वाला है, आपको आइसमपी मटेरियल फेडरल बैंक, दिस वन आई हैव गिवन यू, प्लीज गो थ्रू दैट। ये 2022 फेडरल बैंक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस from 9th September. Have you seen this? Nahin.
Yes, sir. I have. No, yes, sir. I have gone through it. Yes.
Very. Please go through. God bless you. You have come very late to me. Why did you come so late? Huh?
Actually, I came across your YouTube videos about the GD before actually going into the GD round. So from there, I got all the topics, and I actually went through those topics, and I able to actually perform good in GD. So I thought maybe I should enroll in your class so that I
Very,
could give
very.
interview.
Best wishes. Best wishes. You will do well. I think you are. I have given one more interview for you tomorrow also. Or day after
No,
tomorrow.
sir. On Monday, I will. On Sunday, I will prepare, and then on Monday, I'll give the interview.
Your number is 8839.
8839.
हाँ
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है, ठीक है। 8:20 PM.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you. I wish you success because you are my granddaughter's name. God bless you. Thank you.
Sir. Chalo.